Hello, Ballston residents. I'm here with Dr. Peter Herman on Ballston Lake, and today we're going to find out how CSLAP goes about gathering their samples. So right here is the shoreline of Dr. Herman's property, and you can see due to the warmth of the water, and what else, Doc? Why is this algae growing?
And all the nutrients that are in the water create a very good environment for the growth of algae in the lake.
So phosphorus is one of those nutrients.
We have a very high phosphorus level in this lake, as our lake testing shows. Tell you what, I'll pick you up at the big dock, okay?
Okay.
Is we're measuring clarity of the water visually, and we drop it into the lake. It's got a design on it, and we want to know when it disappears, when we can't see it. So it's a measure of the clarity of the lake. You can see the disc there, and as it goes down, now that's 1 meter, okay? So you can still see it pretty clearly at 1 meter.
Yep. So you go down to the next meter?
We go down until it's gone.
Okay.
So I have to lean over, and I'm going to just pull this up a little bit. So now I can see the
I can make it out as well.
Okay, so
you mark that.
This is the mark.
Pull it up.
So this is 2 meters, this is 1 meter. So we're very close to 1.5 meters.
This is the camera bottle. I will lower it. There's a mark on it to lower it 1.5 meters down from the surface. We'll drop a messenger weight down the line. It'll trip it to close and collect the water sample.
So CSLAP wants to know the temperature of the water at the time it was
28
sampled.
degrees. Water's warm.
So once we collect these samples, what happens to them, and are there restrictions on when you can take the samples?
There's very few restrictions. Basically, CSLAP wants you to take samples at a 2-week or 14-day intervals. But if the weather is bad 1 day or 2 days, it's not a really big deal. But basically, we try to keep it 14 days between each sample that we take. And we take 8 samples over the course of the summer, 2 in June, 2 in July, 2 in August, 2 in September.
And then how quick do they turn around and test them and get you the results back?
Well, we won't get the results for at least 6 months, maybe even longer.
Yeah, I think this year we got around March or April.
Yeah, so sometimes it'll be next year.
Okay.
Probably before we get the real final results.
And the results will be for all of the samples.
The complete set of 8 samples.
Okay.